What's up everybody, welcome back to my channel. Thank you guys so much for clicking on our video today. We are always so excited and happy to have you guys here. So if you're watching today's video, kindly consider subscribing to the channel, which is totally free. You can also get to hit the notification bell so that each time we upload a new video, you're going to be notified. Do not forget to like and share this video. So in today's video, I'm gonna be sharing with you a few tips when it comes to your bridal hair, and I know that you are planning to have the best hair on your wedding day, but there are some things that you really know, or some things that a lot of brides do forget when it comes to the bridal hair.
Solo un rayo del sol cambia el tiempo en el reloj. Hoy mis deudas reciben perdón. Pago por el show. Me siento feliz porque si no soy yo, pues ¿quién? Todos caen a mi lado. El freno lo arranqué. Me siento feliz porque yo.
So guys, the first tip that I'm going to share with you today is that you need to stay true to yourself when you're making your bridal hair, because we know a lot of brides want to do something different with their hair on their wedding day. So when you walk down the aisle, you don't want the groom to look at you and be like, you look so different, you look completely different to the girl that he fell in love with. And that is why I would like to advise you guys to stay true to yourself.
Tantas estrellas brillan y Marte me espera mientras rodea. Nada me rompe, no, no, nada me rompe. Tantas estrellas brillan, quiero un carro que corra más. Traigo un fin.
So the second tip I would share with you guys is to try and stay healthy. You know, you need to keep your hair healthy by, deep conditioning your hair, and you can do this by applying deep conditioning treatments every night for the months that lead up to your wedding, because this will also help your hair to be shiny, moisturized and nourished. So your hair is gonna be full of life on the day of your wedding.
Dime, ¿cuántas veces me volviste demente? Ahora sin ti estoy tan solo, no es fácil. Te quiero, baby, hasta que nazca el sol, hasta que nazca el sol. Dime, ¿cuántas veces me volviste demente? Ahora sin ti estoy tan solo, no es fácil. Te quiero, baby, hasta que nazca el sol, hasta que nazca el sol.
The third tip is to try before you buy. So you need to organize a hair trial kit, because this is going to make sure that you get the look that you want for your wedding day. When you go for your hair trial, kindly take pictures of your dress with you so that you're able to give it to your stylist, so that your stylist can advise you best and suggest the most style that will work with your dress and the feel for your wedding. So I'd also recommend that you can also ask your hairstylist or your friend to take a picture of how your hair looks, in every angle. Then you can go home and decide which style will suit you best on your big day.
Baby, ahora sin ti estoy tan solo, no es fácil. Te quiero, baby, hasta que nazca el sol, hasta que nazca el sol. Dame tu amor, dame tu amor, dame tu amor, tu amor, tu amor. Dame tu amor, dame tu amor, dame
So lovelies, those are just a few tips that I'm able to share with you guys today. I'll be able to continue with more on our next video. Kindly subscribe, and I will see you on my next video.
You depend on my weakness, satisfy